To you all curious, talented and genius student of 12th Math in KMC, that is Kanha Math classes for 12th Math under CBSE board pertaining to the NCERT pattern of syllabus. In that continuous, we have here in question number 11, it's given the equation of curve, that is y equal to 1 upon x minus 3, where x is not equal to 3. Equations of lines having slope 2 and which are tangent to the curves this. Now you have to find out the equation of all lines which are tangent to the curves and having also the slope 2. Here the two conditions should be fulfilled, that the equation of lines having must slope of 2 and also the tangent to the curve this. In order to perform that steps, we will have to differentiate the equation of curve with respect to x, that is dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon x minus 3 whole square. This is the differentiation, and according to terms and condition, this should be equal to, this is the slope and the condition is the must having the slope 2 according to question, minus 1 upon x minus 3 whole square is equal to 2, or x minus 3 whole square is equal to minus 1 by 2. Now x minus 3 will be equal to plus minus under root minus 1 by 2. You must observe the number, that is minus under root minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 means I square, imaginary quantity, I square by 2. You may write this like this, under root I square upon 2, it will become plus minus I upon root 2. This is imaginary loss, imaginary quantity, imaginary. Hence the no tangent exists. In this case, no tangent exists. Hence no lines having slope is equal to 2 and tangent to the curve exists. This is the requisite answer of the question number 11. Now in the question number 12, under the same exercise, it's given the equation of the curve, that is y is equal to 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 3, and you have to find out the equation of line having slope 0 and which are tangent to the given curve, that is y equal to 1 upon x square minus 2x plus 3. For this purpose, we will differentiate the equation of curve with respect to x, hence dy by dx is equal to d dx of x square minus 2x plus 3 raised to the power minus 1, or this will be equal to minus, and here x square 2x minus 2, 2x minus 2 plus 0, that is minus 2x minus 1, x minus 1. According to question, question dy by dx is equal to 0 or minus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0 or 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, but 2 doesn't equal to 0, hence x minus 1 is equal to 0, that is x is equal to 1. And for this purpose, substituting the value of x is equal to 1 in the equation of curves, that is y x is equal to 1, we will get 1 upon x square means 1 square minus 2 into 1 minus 2 into 1 plus 3. This is equal to 1 upon 1 minus 2 plus 3, and this is equal to 1 upon 4 minus 2, that is equal to 1 upon 2. Hence, the point of tangent point is equal to y is equal to 1 by 2 and x is equal to 0. Hence, the equation of lines, the equation of equation, hence the equation of line fulfilling the condition is y equal to 1 by 2, because x is equal to 0, that has got no meaning, and dy by dx, that is slope, is equal to 0. Hence, the requisite equation of the lines which are tangent to the curve also and having the slope 0 also will be this. Now, in question number 13, it's given the equation of curve x square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 is equal to 1, and you have to find out the tangents which are parallel to x-axis and which are parallel to y-axis. First of all, we will differentiate the equation of ellipse, that is x square upon 9 plus y square upon 16 is equal to 1. Then 2x upon 9 plus 2y into dy by dx upon 16, 2x upon 9 plus 2y into dy by dx upon 16 is equal to 0, or 2y into dy by dx upon 16 is equal to minus 2x upon 9. 2y dy by dx upon 16 is equal to minus 2x upon 9. 2 will be cut by this, hence dy by dx is equal to minus x upon 9 into 16 upon y. dy by dx is equal to minus x upon 9 upon y upon 16, that is 16 upon y is equal to minus 16x upon 9y. This is the value of dy by dx of the tangent. But the tangents are parallel to x-axis. Parallel to x-axis means dy by dx is equal to 0. Parallel to x-axis means dy by dx. First, parallel to x-axis or dy by dx is equal to 0 means, or minus 16x upon 9y is equal to 0, or minus 16x is equal to 0. Minus 16x is equal to 0, or x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. X is equal to 0 means y-axis. X is equal to 0 means y-axis, and here parallel to y-axis means dy by dx is equal to, parallel to y-axis means dy by dx is equal to 90. 90, tan 90 means, tan 90 means infinity, anant. Infinity, dy by dx is equal to infinity, and dy by dx is equal to minus 16x upon 9y is equal to infinity, means y is equal to 0. Y is equal to 0. Now we have to find out the point at which y is equal to 0 and at which here x is equal to 0. Now due to lack of, now for points x is equal to 0 means, by substituting in the equation of curve x is equal to 0, we will get the value of y, that is 0 upon 9 plus y square upon 16 is equal to 1, or y square is equal to 16 or y is equal to plus minus 4. Hence the point is 0 plus minus 4 and if y is equal to 0, x square upon 9 is equal to 1 or x square is equal to 9 or x is equal to plus minus 3, hence the point will be plus minus 3 into 0. Here we have 2 points of tangent. This will be the requisite answer. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe the video. Many thanks to you.